Hi there, and welcome back to Basic Math or Economics. In this video, I want to show you how to use a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets in order to calculate the inverse of a matrix. Truth be told, you're not going to calculate a lot of matrix inverses by hand. Knowing how to do it for 2x2s and 3x3s is excellent, but for the vast majority of matrices that you'll invert, you're going to use some kind of software to assist you. Truth be told, doing it by hand is tedious and takes way too much time, whereas doing it with software can handle it in seconds. So let's actually jump in, and I'm going to use Google Sheets to show you how to do this. You can do the exact same thing with Excel. So what I have right here is a 5x5 matrix where I've just punched in some numbers. And we're going to use a function that's built into both Google Sheets and Excel in order to calculate the inverse of this matrix. It's called the minverse function. I'm going to type it right there. So all you need to do to call the minverse function is first you need to select an area that is exactly the same size as the matrix. So I have a 5x5 matrix here. I need to pick an area that's 5 cells wide and 5 cells tall. So I have that same area right here. So at this point I call the function. The first thing you do is you push the equals button, and then you type minverse, and you open a parenthesis. So it's going to tell you it's looking for a square matrix right here. Well, it's looking for the one I've created. I can just click right here and drag and select my matrix, and it'll fill that in. And then I close my parentheses. Now, here's the really important thing to remember. In order to make this function work, unlike other functions in Excel, first you have to hit Control, then Shift, and then Enter. And for Google Spreadsheets, it's going to change the function for you. For Excel, it will automatically generate it at this point. For Google Sheets, you're going to hit Enter again, and there you go. That is my inverted matrix right there. That's all you need to do, and believe me, this is probably about 100 times faster than trying to calculate the inverse of this matrix by hand. So anyways, that's actually all for this video. Feel free to practice this. Feel free to use this technique. I know I used this a lot when I was calculating the inverse of matrices quickly. Use this technique, enjoy it, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.